In primetime news this evening, find another way. Businesses lament economic fallout from latest curfew. COVID cluster at government ministry. And nurses still migrating amid COVID-19 crisis.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Bashan Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: given the current surge in COVID-19 cases, what are your suggestions for the reopening of the entertainment and sporting sectors?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and a tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.